Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of blockchain technology. If you've ever wondered what blockchain is, why it's important, and how you can build a career in it, then you're in the right place. Don't worry if you're not from a technical background. I'll be explaining everything using simple, everyday examples. Let's get started. So, what is blockchain? Imagine you and your friends are planning a trip and want to keep track of who pays for what, food, tickets, or gas, to make sure everyone is sharing the cost fairly. You could write all this down in a notebook, but what if someone changes the amounts later on? How would you know? Think of blockchain like a digital notebook that everyone in the group has a copy of. Every time someone spends money, everyone updates their copy. This way, no one can cheat, because if someone tries to change their copy, it won't match everyone else's. This system ensures transparency and trust among the group. That's the basic idea behind blockchain, a secure, transparent, and unchangeable way of recording information. Now you might ask, why is this important? Well, blockchain can be used in many areas, not just for keeping track of trip expenses. Think about banks, for example. When you transfer money to someone, it usually goes through a bank or a payment service. What if there was a way to send money directly to someone without involving a bank? Blockchain makes this possible by removing the need for middlemen. Another example. Have you ever bought a product online and wondered if it's genuine? Blockchain can help track the product's journey from the manufacturer to your doorstep, ensuring it's authentic. This transparency and trust can apply to everything from voting systems to supply chains. Now, let's talk about careers in blockchain. This technology isn't just about coding or technical stuff. There are many different roles available. Blockchain developer. If you like coding and creating new things, this role involves building blockchain applications. It's like being the architect of a new city in the digital world. Blockchain consultant. Imagine being a guide who helps businesses understand how blockchain can solve their problems, much like a travel consultant planning a perfect trip for their clients. Blockchain project manager. Like managing a group project at school. This role involves coordinating between developers, designers, and stakeholders to make sure everything runs smoothly. Blockchain legal consultant. This role is for those interested in law. Just as we have rules and regulations in society, blockchain also needs legal experts to ensure it complies with laws. Blockchain content creator, marketer. If you love writing or creating content, you could work on explaining complex blockchain topics in simple language or creating marketing materials for blockchain-based companies. Wondering what skills you need? Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. Basic understanding of blockchain. Like understanding the rules of a game before playing, you need to understand the basics of blockchain technology. Learning about cryptocurrencies. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies often go hand in hand. Knowing how digital currencies like Bitcoin work can be a good start. Problem-solving skills. Think of it as solving puzzles or riddles. Blockchain often requires creative solutions to new challenges. Communication skills. Just like explaining trip details to a friend, you need to be able to explain complex blockchain concepts in simple terms. Continuous learning. The field is evolving rapidly. Imagine you're a tour guide in a city that's always changing. You need to keep up. So, how can you get started? Take online courses. There are plenty of beginner-friendly courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or even YouTube. Start with the basics, just like learning the ABCs before writing sentences. Join blockchain communities. Think of these like study groups in school. You can learn from others, ask questions, and keep up with the latest trends. Practice and experiment. Try building small projects or writing about what you learn. Think of it as cooking a new recipe. The more you practice, the better you get. Stay updated. Follow blockchain news, read articles, and keep learning. Remember, the more you explore, the more you'll discover about what excites you in this field. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step guide to starting a career in blockchain technology. Remember, it's all about taking one step at a time and staying curious. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and stay motivated.